Okay, we're back with our 70 Rebel machine trunk pan we've been working on. We did get all our metal work done. We got a couple coats of fiberglass put on the bottom side of it. We're going to go ahead and weld in our trunk drops. We got our trunk drops welded into the piece of trunk pan that we cut out to do our rust repair. We made the back section for it and got our trunk drops welded on, everything fabbed in there. Same on the other side, got our trunk joss welded on, back pieces fabbed in, and everything taken care of. Got all our brackets put back on, those are all taken care of. Got our rust holes taken care of on the frame. Everything inside the frame rail is all rust inhibited. Yeah, we got ours fixed over here, same on the back. Took off all our brackets here, straightened those out, beat them out, and replaced the metal and welded them back on. The inside same way. Took this back section right off here, took it all, straightened it out, and then welded it back on and working out our fiberglass on it. And we put a new section in right here, rolled that, made that go in there. So got that fabbed in real nice right there. Been going around filling in fiberglass, little divots everywhere we got to do. Filled in some there on the frame rail. We got some back here in the back to do. You can see the darker sections of the black there that need to be filled in, smoothed out, but we're getting there. We're going to flip it over and go ahead and weld our trunk drops in and do our body work on the top side, and then flip it back over and get ready to do paint on the bottom side. So there we are, back at our 70 Rebel machine, getting our trunk pan ready to go. So we'll get it flipped over and get the trunk drops welded in, get back at it. You can follow us on our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to follow the progress on it. We have other videos on there where we started on this. It has been quite a project, but like and subscribe.